Hi friends, how are you all? This is the video of written sample coding question. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. In this video, we will explain one sample coding question, and please visit the playlist in my channel. If you are a beginner, no problem. It will help you to analyze how the coding question need to be analyzed with along with the simple syntaxes. And if you are intermediate, it will revises you what you learnt syntaxes, and also it will tell another way, a simple way how to analyze the coding question. Now the question is prime number or not. Prime number or not is a general question, but here they are twisted something. It was given, I think so, in HCL coding question, which I experienced personally. So I put here. So please watch the video till end, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Okay. And the problem statement is given an integer. If the number is prime, return 1, otherwise return its smallest divisor greater than 1. Here the input and output are integers only. See here, the input is 24 in test case 1, output should have 2. Input is 7 in test case 2, output should be 1. In test case 3, input is 21, output is 3. Why it will get like this? See, we are taking integer input, n is equal to int of input, and we are all know that sum is equal to 0 for summing. If we want to do some operation in the program, multiplication is equal to 1 for doing multiplication in program. So for checking purpose, like sum is equal to 0, multiplication is equal to 1, we are using flag is equal to 0 for checking purpose. Okay. And why we got like this 24 to means, see, we all know that prime number logic is for I in range 2 comma n. That means we are checking from 2 to n minus 1. That means if it is 7, 7 we need to check, we will check from 2 to 6 only. 2 3 4 5 6 we are checking whether the limits I is n is divided with I, and the remainder is 0 or not. If it is remainder is 0, we know that it was divisible by it. See, if the number is 6, 6 is divisible by 2, right? So it is divisible, so it is not a prime number. So if it is not a prime number, we are flag is equal to 1. That means we are again declaring the flag with 1. That means it is replacing 0 with 1. If flag is replaced with 1, we need to have break. That means coming out of the loop. Okay, after coming out of the loop, we need to check if flag is equal to 1. That means we are comparing. If it is 1, that means it is prime number, right? Not a prime number, right? So we need to print the lowest number greater than 1, which is divisible, that is I. That means when it reaches flag is equal to 1, that it is the lowest number, right? So it will come, otherwise it will print 1. If you are getting confusion, I will explain while coding. See, we are taking integer as input. After that, we are initializing flag with 0. Okay, for checking purpose, we are checking for I in range 2 comma n. That means we are checking from 2 to n minus 1. If it is 7, we are checking from 2 to 6. If in that checking, if it is divisible by I, that means the remainder is 0. That means we are redeclaring flag with 1, and we are coming out of the loop by using break statement. Okay. And we are checking if flag is equal to 1. That means it is not a prime number. So we are printing I. That means lowest divisible number greater than 1. If it is not the case, print 1. That means they asked no to print 1 here. So I am printing 1. Let's check here. See, 24 I am giving. It will become 22. That means see, here it is 24. Means what? 24. 24 means we are checking from 2 to 23. From 2 to 23. That is 24. I here first iteration I becomes 2. 24 percentile 2 is 0, right? So flag becomes 1, break. After that, what is I here? 2. So 2 will be printed. Okay. And again I am executing. Here 7. Let's check what will happen. Output is 1. That means we are checking from 2 to 6, right? That means n seventh number should not be checked by according to the range syntax. Okay, that means we are checking here 2 7 percentile 2, remainder is not 0 here. 7 percentile 3, remainder is not 0 here. 7 percentile 4, remainder is not 0 here. 7 percentile 5, remainder is not 0 here. 7 percentile 6, remainder is not 0 here. So the loop will end, so flag becomes 0 only, so it will print 1. Okay, again I am executing 21. See here 3, that means for 2 21 percentile 2 it is not equal to 0, so it will go again. I is equal to 3, 24 percentile 3, it will become 0, then flag becomes 1. So I hope you understand. In some examinations it will give a function like this and we need to write. So I am just copy pasting it and modifying here. See, for I in range, if n percentile I, flag is equal to 1, break. If print else print 1, same thing that you need to be used. Okay, let's check if there are indentation errors, it will show, we will rectify again. Okay, return I, here return 1. Let's check. Oh, in which one we are getting indentation error? Here. Okay, let's check again. Okay, any auto indentation level for okay, let's check again. Let's check. Let's check once. Else line 9 does not match the. See, I am giving 24. The output will be y24. Let's check once. I need to return I only, right? So 2 comma n, it is correct. See, sorry, here I am giving b. Here, see, let's check again. Sorry for inconvenience. Twenty-four. The answer is 2. And again I am giving 7, 1 and 21, 3, and if we want to give any 19, we will, let's check 1. I hope you understood. Sorry for the late, because of indentation issue and some error I got late. Sorry for wasting your valuable time. Okay, see, as bonus tip, we are all know that how to check if it is a prime number or not. Just we need to take a flag variable is needed for fast getting output for simple code, and after that we are checking from after iteration 2 to n minus 1 we are doing iteration, and we are checking here. If it is flag is equal to 1, it is said to be as prime number, or it is not a prime number and it is a prime number. If flag is equal to 1, that means it is dividing, so it is not a prime number. If it is not dividing, if flag is 0 only, it is a prime number. You can interchange it, but keep remember what you need to put. If it is undergoes break statement, it should not be a prime number. If it not undergoes break statement, it should be a prime number. So this is the logic. I hope you understand this question. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and share to your friends also, and don't forget to like it. Please say any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much.